What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she gotta go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's hair, we're going to be working with BGM hair. But I received a 13x4 pre-bleached, y'all. Pre-bleached 26-inch water wave hair. And y'all, honey, I don't know who bleaching and plucking these wigs, but honey, I love it. Like I said, pre-bleach, all I had to do was throw on my foundation color, and y'all, I was set. Like, when I say they're making these wig games so much easier, y'all, I went ahead and glued on this wig. It's been a minute since I've glued down a wig, and I just had to because I know this lace was gonna eat, honey, and it is. But if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This same wig is going to be in the description box, so go ahead and check out their hair. They have a lot of other different types of wigs, y'all. And I must say, the knots on this wig are literally tiny as hell. Where is the knots? Where is the lace? This lace is melted, honey. Like I said, it comes pre-bleached. You don't have to bleach your wig. So if you're a girly that's scared to bleach your hair or don't know how to bleach, you don't have to. You don't got to worry about that when it comes to Bgmgirl hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.